Welcome to my channel, WED by Mosley, where we take our time and teach you design and have fun while doing it.
Wedding and events and decor is what we love.
Yeah.
So I think that you should follow us.
Follow
Cause
us.
we gon' take our time and help you learn design.
Learn design.
So ring the bell cause we do it well. Like, comment, and subscribe.
WED by Mosley. WED by Mosley.
Subscribe.
WED by Mosley. WED by Mosley.
Yeah.
WED by Mosley.
Yeah.
Wow, I can't believe that this is my first video. I am like super excited that I finally decided to start my channel for WED. Now this video is going to be brief. I just want to give you guys an opportunity to learn a little bit more about myself, share with you what WED stands for, and also go over what the channel will represent. So if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. I mean, you're already here, so why not stay a while? So, for those of you who don't know, my name is Jaleesa, and I am the owner and lead planner of WED by Mosley, located here in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Now, I found my love for wedding and events when I was planning my own wedding to this handsome guy right here almost 10 years ago. Since then, I've been able to intern and network and meet some really cool people. And so in 2019, I decided to start my own business, WED by Mosley. That stands for Weddings, Events, and Decor. The philosophy here at WED is to really be a one-stop shop. I mean, we do it all. From full-service wedding planning all the way down to doing custom treats and dessert. I mean, we literally do it all. And so we were moving right along, growing our business, having lots of success, and then bam, here comes the pandemic. I mean, it was so discouraging to be a new business and to have everything just stop. It was a mess. But you know, thanks to our supporters and our family and friends, we were able to still grow and have a successful year of business. Fast forward to 2021. So literally one day I was just sitting down and I was going over my list of all my goals for WED, and YouTube was high on the list. Now this is because whenever I have events or I post about my events, I will have people sliding in my DM, asking me questions, wondering where I got this from or how did I do this balloon garland, and I thought, wow, YouTube would be perfect. And now my channel, it is going to be for those who want to eventually do wedding and event planning, maybe pursue their own business, but this channel is geared towards everyone. It's going to be for the moms who are busy chasing after kids. It's going to be for the people that are on a tight budget. It's going to be for those who have no creativity or no experience at all. This channel is literally going to be for everyone. And like I said, I am truly going to take my time and teach you design, and we are certainly going to have some fun. You can expect a lot of fun videos. So we're going to do some DIY, we're going to do some balloon garland, we're going to do some flowers and how to make bouquets. We're also going to do some vlogging, and that's when I take you behind the scenes and give you a look at some of my setups for events, and then how my day of weddings, how they usually flow. So I'll give you a little bit of that as well. And then there's going to be a lot of videos featuring my two Rugrats, Jace and Jameson. I love them, they're so cute. It's going to be videos with them and just showing you how we come up with different fun activities, how I set up little parties and things for them. So that's going to be perfect during the pandemic, since a lot of the times we can't go out. So I'm going to show you how to bring the party indoors. And I mean, you could just expect so much. And also, if you have any videos or ideas, please let me know. You can email me, you can comment, you can DM me, you can follow me on Instagram at WED by Mosley, and then I'll bring some of your ideas to life as well. Make sure after each video you like, comment. Let me know what you liked about the video, what you didn't like about the video, or what you want to see in the future. Also, turn your notifications on by hitting that bell. That way you won't ever miss a post. And then follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, all WED by Mosley. And then make sure you subscribe. Tell your friend to subscribe, tell her friend, to tell her friend, to tell her friend, to tell her cousin to subscribe, because we are about to have a ball. Thank you so much for watching this video.